Movimiento de izquierda y por los jóvenes y luego vamos para el centro y la derecha.
Sí? Faré la pregunta en català perquè si no ells no entenen. Sí. Doncs la meva pregunta és com que, parlant una mica sobre el tema de moviments socials, no? Diguem, com que aquí tenim un fenomen molt recent que és de 15M, no? El Spanish Revolution. No sé si també li podries preguntar si també hi ha alguna possibilitat d'una revolució semblant en Pakistan.
Well, revolution or no revolution, the first thing is to have a sustainable politics in Pakistan. If you do not have a political party of sorts which can lead a revolution, how will you ask for a revolution? Revolution doesn't come up all by itself. There may be problems, there may be difficulties, there may be contradictions, but then there has to be an alternative presented to the people, which the people accept, and there has to be a political party which will lead the revolution. So we are, at this time, we are in the process of making a political party which can lead the revolution. The rest of the revolution is left to the ruling classes of Pakistan.
Sí, ¿algún otro comentario?
Gracias. Buenas tardes. En primer lugar, agradezco mucho a Casa Asia para crear un espacio donde podamos reunir todos los pakistaníes y hablar con una personalidad que ya sabemos que es muy importante. Y bueno, vamos a hacer un poco del Urdu para que lo entendamos todos. बहुत शुक्रिया मंटू साहब आपका कि आप यहाँ पे तशरीफ लेके आए और अपने कीमती वक्त में आपने हमें इतना कीमती वक्त दिया। बहुत अच्छी बातें आपकी हमने बहुत जो आपने बताया पाकिस्तान के बारे में। अब यकीन कीजिए कि हम जितने लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, जो लोग हम महसूस करते हैं पाकिस्तान के बारे में, हमें लगता है कि जो वहाँ बैठे हैं शायद वो नहीं करते। हमारा दिल ज़्यादा तेज धड़कता है अपने मुल्क के लिए। आपकी बातें सारी बहुत अच्छी थी। सिर्फ एक सवाल आपसे करना चाहूँगा que क्या आप इस हाल में en castellano, sí. Bueno, después lo haremos en castellano también. Primero
tenemos muy poco tiempo.
Vale. La pregunta es, si quieres hacer en castellano, lo vamos a hacer en castellano. La pregunta es, ¿vosotros creéis que hay una posibilidad de cambiar la situación crítica y política que está pasando ahora en Pakistán? ¿Hay posibilidad de cambiarlo o no? Gracias.
Well, I think आप उर्दू में चाहते हैं या
उर्दू में कीजिए प्लीज, उर्दू में कीजिएगा प्लीज।
Well, I think there will be a change. If I was not of that view, I would not be here. Why should I be speaking about left in Pakistan? And why am I a leftist? Even after 60 years of my whole struggle from 1948 onwards. So I believe that there will be a change, but then changes do not occur just for asking. Not because there are very bad conditions, therefore changes will occur. Africa is very bad. There are subhuman conditions in several African states, and people and the tribals fight with each other. Millions upon millions of people are dead or half dead and lying on the streets, and yet no change occurs. Because change does not only depend on the conditions which prevail, it also depends on the formation of an entity or an organization or a political setup which can bring about the change. And what change do you want to bring? So therefore, an alternative program to substitute the existing program and an alternative political entity which can bring about that thing. So that is our struggle at the moment. Because of the several upheavals and difficulties and martial laws and other things, we have been lacking in that. And we want to come back to that position where we can have a political party with a viable alternative program to get.
Sí, vamos a pasar al centro ahora. Por favor, que sean... ¿Hay algún comentario por el centro? Sí. Sí, vamos a intentar que sean las preguntas breves para que más personas puedan intervenir, por favor.
Gracias. Bueno, primero gracias por la conferencia. Yo obviamente no conozco Pakistán también y voy a dar un paso atrás en la pregunta que acaban de hacer sobre la situación crítica. Mi pregunta es precisamente...
No funciona.
¿Funciona?
दोबारा लगाएंगे हो सकता है काम कर दोबारा लगाएंगे
That's right.
Vamos a
Yeah.
ver.
¿Sí? ¿Ahora funciona? Vale. Bueno, decía que gracias y que voy a dar un paso atrás en la pregunta que acaban de hacer. Mi pregunta es que, obviamente... Well, anyway, I will ask in English. I want to know how globalization and the crisis have affected the Pakistani society. In concrete, the religious society is gaining weight or is empowering its power. The situation of women in Pakistan and working class. Thank you.
It begins from the women in Pakistan. Well, when I became a politically conscious person, the position of women was very, very bad. During the course of my struggle in politics, we thought perhaps it would be very difficult to make any headways amongst the women of Pakistan to do things because it's impossible to even deal with the men. But now there are voices being raised, and there are, at least in the urban areas and also in some of the rural areas, women are coming up and women are getting organized, and modern ideas are now coming to play their role, and they are more advanced as compared to yesterday. So I have hope in the struggle of the women, and I think and hope that they can advance. As far as the working class itself, we have a difficulty about the working class. This is the period of time when worldwide there is a recession, and that recession is visible in Spain, that recession is visible in the rest of the continent, and even in America, where percentage of unemployed is rising by the years. So in Pakistan also, in the third world countries, the recession has its own impact. As a result of that, the economic difficulties are faced by the industrial class also. Small industries are coming to be closed, and unemployment is rampant. New industries not coming up. Working class is shrinking, and therefore the strength of the working class is diminishing. In spite of that, we still continue to organize them, and working class itself has realized that they have to devise different ways and identify themselves to different kind of political struggles so that they can remain alive to their own situation. So this is a process in which we are involved at this time, and this is an extraordinary situation in which we are. You see, as far as the religious fundamentalists are concerned, I'm quite sure that if the establishment in Pakistan, which means the government and the armed forces, if the establishment in Pakistan is clear in its mind, I am not quite sure they are clear in their mind right now, but if they become clear in their mind that this menace has to be put to an end, it can be put to an end because they thrived in Pakistan on account of the support of the establishment.
Vamos a pasar a la derecha ahora.
Sí, buenas tardes y muchas gracias por la conferencia, ¿no? Por hablarnos de la situación de Pakistán. Yo quería hacer dos preguntas. En primer lugar, se está hablando de la situación de la clase trabajadora y nosotros como sindicalistas que colaboramos con otros sindicalistas, con el internacionalismo de los trabajadores, en concreto con la Pakistan Trade Union Defense Campaign, estamos recogiendo la solidaridad y me gustaría saber su opinión sobre la lucha que en estos momentos está habiendo en Karachi, donde más de 10.000 trabajadores llevan 44 días de huelga en contra de la privatización y por la nacionalización de la eléctrica, ¿no? Precisamente el imperialismo, ¿no? A través de todos sus tentáculos quiere robar hasta el último céntimo, ¿no? Y lo que ha hecho ha sido privatizar una compañía eléctrica, que lo que está provocando es cortes de luz que están sufriendo sobre todo los pobres, ¿no? Y como los trabajadores, esos 10.000 trabajadores que llevan 44 días de huelga en estos momentos, ¿no? Están luchando para que esa empresa sea una empresa pública, evidentemente contra los despidos, ¿no? Y para mantener eso, ¿no? Y la otra pregunta, y bueno, que también se puede luchar también sobre los doctores jóvenes de SIN, que también han realizado una lucha y han ganado, ¿no? Si tiene alguna información. Y la segunda cuestión sería...
¿Es la tercera o...?
La primera sobre el movimiento obrero.
Por favor, seamos
Sí,
breves
bueno,
para que haya más gente que participe.
el poeta Munawai una vez escuché que decía que Pakistán era un país atrasado, pero que un país que tiene la bomba atómica, un país que nosotros aquí en Occidente nos podemos hacer una idea equivocada, y que realmente es un país industrial, un país que tiene zonas muy atrasadas, pero zonas muy avanzadas, y que realmente si toda esa riqueza estuviera en manos de los trabajadores, ¿no? Como decía el poeta, correrían los ríos de leche y miel para los niños de Pakistán, ¿no? Si realmente no piensa que también hay no solamente que luchar por consignas democráticas, sino porque toda esa enorme riqueza de Pakistán esté en manos de los trabajadores.
I'm sorry, I heard half of your questions, and I will answer as far as it's possible. As far as the privatization is concerned, that's an issue in Pakistan also. That's an issue in all third world countries and generally. It is an issue in Spain also. It's an issue which is common to the modern industrial situation. It is common to the crisis which has arisen in the capitalist society. And in our view, the only answer to that is reverting back to some kind of a socialist economy which will give the working class a security and run the public sector enterprises in a proper fashion. But not a public sector of the old kind, but a public sector in which the working class itself has a right to govern and participate and run the factory itself. So that it's not, in our country the problem was that the private, when you make a public sector, private institution into a public institution or a public institution itself, it is not run by the workers, it is run by bureaucrats. It's run by administrators who have nothing to do with the industry, nor do they know it. And since we have corrupt societies, all the kind of corruption that is in the general society and the administration enters into the public sector also. So therefore, failing of the public sector, and it is said that the workers do not work in the public sector and so on and so forth, which was a criticism against the Soviet industry also. So there has to be a way to be found out how to run a public setup. But that is the only answer. You have to take away the private enterprises which are of vital interest to the society itself and which cater for a large number of workers and their interests. They have to be in the public sector and they have to be run in a modern but a changed way. And I must make a statement here that the modern times have raised several questions. The fall of the Soviet Union has raised several questions. And whether it was the failure of the socialist system or it was the failure of those who were running the kind of socialist system that was being run. Answers had to be given. And a remodeled, refashioned, modern times socialist society has to be established, which will give answers to the questions raised by the present day industrial society.